Jendor Scrivok is the current Lord Commander of the fractured Night Lords Legion after the death of his Primarch, Konrad Curze. Born on Nostromo into a noble house, Jendor would be inducted into the Night Lords during the Great Crusade, rising to the rank of Captain. Known as the Painted Count due to his ancestry and use of war paints, Jendor would lead the 45th Company of the Night Lords during the Great Crusade as its Clawmaster. Recruiting murderers and prisoners into his company, Jendor would undermine his Primarch on numerous occasions, forging his company into men loyal to himself, alone. During the Horus Heresy, Scrivok would bargain with a demon possessing his legion's librarian, Beranon. The demon would conceal itself within the librarian's sword, and with their pact complete, he would become unable to dispose of the accursed blade. During the power struggle for the Night Lords Legion, Jendor would be trapped within the labyrinth housed deep within the Night Lord's flagship, Nightfall. With the aid of the demon, he would escape the maze and assume control of the ship and its crew. Jendor would declare himself as Lord Commander during the Horus Heresy after the gradual shattering of his legion. With the absence of his Primarch, Horus Lupercal would acknowledge his legitimacy, with Jendor leading the Night Lord's assault against Holy Terror itself. During the Siege of Terror, he would duel Blood Angel's champion, Raldoron, in single combat. Jendor would lose the duel, laying in the ruins of the battlefield ready to die, but for the intervention of the demon trapped within his sword, his life would be spared, albeit with the punishment of enduring the demon's torture within the warp for near 4,000 years. Re-emerging from the warp, Scrivok was transformed into a demon prince and would attack the Dark Angels chapter, killing Supreme Chapter Master Naberius during the Ramiel betrayal. Driven back by Dark Angels Chapter Master Azrael and Chief Librarian Ezekiel for a time, the Painted Count will soon return to sow chaos throughout the galaxy.